Trick or treat! Hi, my name is Jackie, and I'm the registered dietitian and diabetes coordinator for the Mille Lacs Band. Normally, I'm at the Grand Market doing a grocery store tour and showing you how to shop smart and eat healthy. Today, we're in my office doing things a little bit differently, and I'm going to teach you about mindful eating during Halloween. Halloween is associated with costumes, caramel apples, pumpkins, and a lot of times candy. Candy is everywhere this time of year. It's in the grocery stores, it's in our homes, and for a lot of people, it's in a candy bowl like this at work. Which is why I want to give you permission to eat and enjoy that candy this Halloween. Eating candy doesn't have to be stressful or make anyone feel guilty. The purpose behind it is to fully enjoy that little indulgence. And in order to enjoy it, we must be fully present and in the moment when we're eating candy. Which was what brings me to what I referred to earlier as mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to all of our senses while we're eating and then reflecting on that experience afterwards. So next time you come across a candy bowl, I want you to purposefully choose what you're going to eat. Are you looking for something sour or something sweet? Maybe something rich or something crunchy? Okay, so have a purpose behind what piece of candy you're eating, and that'll prevent you from just grabbing anything and not fully enjoying it. When you do choose which kind of candy you want to eat, Reese's is my favorite, I want you to unwrap that candy and take a look at it. Is it creamy? Is it smooth? Does it have any bumps on it? Okay, and then when you do eat it, I want you to let it melt in your mouth. And what kind of flavors do you taste? Is it smooth? Is it bitter? Maybe like a dark chocolate? Is it sour? Does it make you salivate a lot? Okay, and by really paying attention to what you're eating, it can make a little bit go a long ways. And then afterwards, I want you to reflect on that experience of what you just ate. Did that truly satisfy you? Or was it just okay and you can pass on it next time? By practicing these mindful eating techniques, we can make a little bit go a long ways. Mindful eating also helps to honor cravings and prevent binge eating later on. Sometimes if we pass up that piece of candy when we really want it, we end up eating 3 or 4 pieces later on. So that's mindful eating in a nutshell. If you learned something new today, I want you to comment below. If you want me to talk about something next time, also put that in the comments. Feel free to like, share, and comment on this post in order to be entered into a drawing to win a $30 gift card that can be used at the Grand Market. Thanks, and have a happy Halloween.